Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 LTS version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. First download MySQL application. Go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, scroll down, see here, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.4 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version when you are installing, click on archives. There you can find the version. Okay, select it, then Windows, then we have to download this MySQL 8.4.4 MSIV installer. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started. Go to downloads and see here its size is 129 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download completed. Click on this MSI file, then click on next. Select this I accept the terms in the license agreement checkbox and click on next. See here we have typical, custom and complete setup types. So I am going with custom, then this will be the installation directory. But if you select complete, it will select the default location. So select it, then click on next. If you want to change this location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Okay, then click on next, then click on install. See, MySQL server setup completed. Now we have to configure the MySQL. So select the checkbox, that is run MySQL configurator, or even if you close without selecting the checkbox, go to start all applications, then go to MySQL folder. See here we have the MySQL folder. See here we have the MySQL 8.4 configurator. Okay, so keep the checkbox and click on finish, then click on next. See, this will be the data directory. If you want to change, click on browse button and change the path. I'm okay with this one. Click on next and select the type and networking. I am going with server computer and this will be the port number. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the password for the MySQL root account. Remember this password which is required to connect to MySQL server. Then if you want to create a user, you have to click on add user. I don't want at this moment, later we can add the users. Click on next and this will be the service name in the Windows services application, and this is the service account. So click on next. Select this as grant full access to user running the Windows service. Then click on next. If you want to create both these sample databases, you have to select checkbox. It is up to you. Click on next. See, ready to apply the configuration. So click on execute. See, successfully applied the configuration. So click on next. See, everything is done. Click on finish. So we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.4. So open command line client, click on all applications, then go to MySQL folder, then click on drop down, then click on MySQL command line client. Click on it, then provide the password that we have set for the root account. See, we have installed MySQL server version 8.4.4. Even we can also get the version number by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.4.4. Now verify the list of the databases. So databases, it is type of, see, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation except this circular database. Let us create a database. See, new database bank is there. Now switch to this database and create some tables. So to switch database, we have to use the command use, then provide the database name. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. So create a table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have added these two rows. Okay, now verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work. So we can get the list of the users running the query against the table mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user, create user James. See, whatever the password is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Now verify the users. See, new user is there. Okay, and next we will see how to start and restart MySQL 8.4.4 on Windows operating systems. Go to services.msc, then press M. See, here we have the MySQL 8.4 and its service status is running. If you want to stop, right click and stop, and if you want to restart, restart, or select service here. Then see, here we have the stop and restart options, and here we have the stop or restart buttons. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL by using command line client. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, so go to here, go to this page again, go back, click on, see, here we have the MySQL Workbench. So click on it, then click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started. Wait a moment, its size is only 42 megabytes. See, download completed. Click on this MSI file to install. Click on next. If you want to change the path, change, otherwise click on next. Complete, select, click on install. See, installation completed. If you want to launch MySQL Workbench, you have to keep the checkbox and you have to click on finish. Otherwise, go to all applications, go to MySQL folder, click on drop down. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE. CE means community edition. So click on finish. See, this is the MySQL Workbench. So click on this plus button to connect to MySQL server. Then provide the name MySQL 8.4.4. Then provide the host name. MySQL is installed on this PC. So this is the loopback IP, or you can give localhost or IP of the machine. Okay. Then port number 3306, username root. Then click on store in password for the password. Provide the password of the root account. Then click on OK. Click on test connection. See, successfully made connection to MySQL. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on this connection. See, we have successfully connected. But if you want to connect with the new user, go to home again. Then click on plus button. Then give the name MySQL 8.4.4 James. James is the user that we have created. Then here we have to change the username. Then click on store in vault for the password. Then provide the password of the James user. Then click on OK. Text connection. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Then again click on this James account. See, we have successfully connected, but see here in schemas it is not showing any database, but here it is showing databases. Why? Because this user doesn't have permissions for the schemas. So just I have created user, not granted any privileges. That's why I am receiving blank here. Okay, this is the schemas tab. If you go to administration, see here we have users and etc. If you click on users, then if you want to create user, you have to click on add user, or if you want to delete, select it and click on delete. If you want to reset password, you have to provide the new passwords here. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now go to downloads. These files are not required anymore, so delete them. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 LTS version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.